How to automatically expand the cell width to fit text in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to automatically expand the cell width to fit the text in Microsoft Excel, then first you need to open up your Excel sheet. Open up the Excel app. You can choose the existing one or you can simply choose a blank workbook. And here you will have your sheet, right? So if you ever encountered this where you need to manually adjust the column width depending on how long your text is, so from here you can adjust it, right? So if you want to adjust it automatically, we have a better solution for you. So follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is you just need to go with the bottom left of your screen and you need to select the current sheet, right click on it, and then you need to select the option view code. And the second step is you need to go with the drop down, which is here, and then go with worksheet. Under worksheet here, you need to enter something. So enter cells dot entire column dot autofill or autofit. And now once you've written, exit the dialog and then try to write something. And once you've written, hit the enter and you can see that it has automatically expanded the cell. So that's how you can automatically expand the cell width to fit the text. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.